why people have high risks of cancer, and why animals are confused whether to sleep or hunt. Have you ever wondered why you can't sleep, why people have high risks of cancer, and why animals are confused whether to sleep or hunt? Well, this is all caused by light pollution, and boy, we need help fixing that. My name is Arwen, and we think that now is the time to come together and help each other in this fight to stop this terrible thing. We bet many of you have been puzzled by the fact that some of us can't go to sleep, even when there's nothing preventing us. But there really is. It's light pollution. And this has been told not just by us, but by scientists, lots of knowledgeable sites, and people. Light pollution lowers the melatonin, which is needed in order to sleep soundly. Others can't go to sleep thanks to light pollution, but some unfortunate people also develop sleeping disorders. We believe that if we get rid of some unnecessary lighting, we won't experience this again in the future. Have you ever pondered about why animals go hunt and sleep at the incorrect time of day? Well, we have, and we have learned that this is another effect from light pollution. But instead of affecting us, it affects the creatures all around us. Wildlife is experiencing difficulty in targeting and capturing individual prey, as the number of prey in the group is increasing. This has been observed in fish, birds, and other predators. This is called the confusion effect and was discovered by Samuel Neal and Jonathan Cullard in 1974. If we do not act now, then the responsibility of fixing this will fall into our generation's hands and more generations to come. Our school is trying to prevent light pollution, as we have a STEM group teaming up to gather data and reduce light pollution in the area. On to Maisie with the research questions and evaluations.
To start with, we came up with 5 research questions to help us study this topic. Question 1, quantification. How much light pollution is there on the Pahudakawa coast? Question 2, awareness. How can we make people aware of light pollution and responsible lighting practices? Question 3, impact. How does light pollution affect nocturnal animals, stargazing, astronomy, and even the ability to observe the night sky? Question 4, classification and identification. What are the main sources of light pollution, and what light pollution sources affect our ecosystem? Question 5, mitigation. What can be done to mitigate light pollution? During our project, we were able to answer these questions and make the Pahudakawa coast a better place.
It's missing a slide.
As our eyes aren't always reliable to observe the night sky correctly, we have been using a couple of tools to help us with our project. We've been using a device called a sky quality meter, or an SQM, which measures the sky quality and magnitude, a way to measure the brightness of a star, per square arc second. We have also created, using our new school 3D printers, a camera that gives us a 180-degree view of the night sky. These cameras, called all-sky cameras, are housed in a 3D printed case and are powered by a Raspberry Pi. With these devices, we can monitor the light pollution over time and also monitor meteor showers and aurora's activity. These cameras have captured some pretty cool videos, which you'll be able to see at our school table. And now we zoom over to Ellie for the results.
As a part of our project, some kids at our school took readings of the night sky to create a light pollution map. Here is one of the graphs we made. This is a chart from our 180-degree all-sky camera. It shows the amount of lights being used all around beachlands. How often do you experience seeing difficulty in the night sky? Was our first question. And sadly, the most common answer was often. And these are some of our other questions we asked. Have you ever been bothered by the outdoor lighting?
Yes.
Do you think the light pollution affects your quality of sleep? And here's Arwen to tell you how you can help. Oh, didn't you have a little ending part? Yeah.
That's alright, keep going.
You've been doing something at the end. This part. You've been doing this part, haven't you? No. This part. You've been redoing stuff about our... The end conclusion part, Arwen. Yes. Okay.
As Greta Thunberg once said, everyone can make a huge difference. We should not underestimate ourselves, because if lots of individuals go together, then we can accomplish almost anything. Thank you for listening, and most importantly, thank you, Curious Minds in Te Hono Ngā Akoranga, for making this a reality. We hope we have taught you all more about light pollution and that we have persuaded many of you to take action for the better.
Folks, just before you run away, hold on. We might have some questions from the audience. All right, the audience have any questions? Not really? All right, so it's all right. Look, sometimes these things happen. Like, you know, you kind of talk to people and you have different things that's happening. But anyway, look, moving on. I guess,
There's a question.
yeah, where was the question? Sorry, I missed things. Apologies.
What causes light pollution?
So there are many types of light pollution. Well, mostly they're caused by really bright outdoor lights that affect us as humans and nocturnal animals as it confuses them. So yeah.